So for broadcasters, I think broad thinking is important because as we move from a traditional broadcast world into one where media is consumed over the internet as well, there are a number of new challenges, and I'm looking forward to learning a lot about the challenges that other broadcasters face, as well as hopefully learning some of the solutions that they've come up with.
We've come to broad thinking to talk about telecom operator CDNs because that's the next wave in content delivery on the internet. Actually, it's going beyond the internet. It's going to not use the internet anymore. The idea of telecom operator CDNs is to deliver content, over-the-top content, directly into the telecom operator networks, which are managed networks on managed platforms compared to best effort CDNs on a best effort internet network.
Unmanaged networks are quite difficult to predict the quality of service and experience that you get with something like iPlayer. So in R&D we've been doing some work to measure the actual quality of experience and video quality that our end users receive at home.
At BroadThinking, I'm talking about MPEG DASH. MPEG DASH is a new standard, an enabler standard developed by MPEG. It's about to be published over the next couple of days, and it enables adaptive streaming over the top, over the internet. It's providing a significant amount of capabilities for different ecosystems. For broadcasters, it enables also to have on-demand libraries integrated, to have a unified standard. Broadcasters have been involved in the development of MPEG DASH. They're interested. It gives them the ability to distribute their content, which they typically distribute nowadays over broadcast networks, over the internet. So it gives a completely new reach. It also gives them reach to mobile devices, tablets, smartphones, which have been hard to access by terrestrial broadcast networks.
Multiscreen cloud services allow the broadcaster actually to rely on an infrastructure which is shared among other people. The broadcaster requirements as of now are to address different kind and every time more kind of different devices, which requires a lot of repurposing of the content. So the idea is that the broadcaster gets concentrated on he does the best, which is create content, create formats, and leave the technical to specialist people like the infrastructure suppliers.